Right now, I'm making over $1,000 a day, and I'm doing it almost entirely with one AI tool called Claude. And no, I'm not trading stocks, I'm not doing some weird crypto thing, and I'm definitely not gonna tell you to start dropshipping in 2026. I'm gonna show you exactly what I do, step by step, and you can literally copy it. I'm also gonna show you all the AI tools I'm using and why. My name is Fred, I run an AI-powered online course business, and it's the best way I've found to make real money online with extremely high profit margins. If you want to get access to my free AI money course, check the description below this video. So why did I choose to sell digital products? Everyone right now is chasing AI automation agencies or dropshipping, and honestly, both of those are a trap. Think about it. When you sell AI automation as a service, what are you actually doing? You're selling your time. You're basically an employee just without a boss standing over you. You still have to show up, do the work for the client, deal with revisions, deal with their requests at 9 at night. That's not freedom, it's literally a job. You just get the illusion of being self-employed. And dropshipping, I'm not gonna pretend it's a good option. The profit margins are insanely low. We're talking 5 to 20% at best after ads and after all the fees eat into what's left. You're working incredibly hard to keep maybe 15 cents on the dollar. Now compare that to digital products. We're talking 80 to 95% profit. You build a course once and you can sell it over and over without doing the work again every single time. That's the difference between trading your time for money and actually building something that makes money while you sleep. That's why I went all in on digital products, and that's exactly what I'm gonna show you. Okay, so here's the next thing you need to understand. The kind of digital product you need to sell, at least if you want to make a lot of money, is an online course, not a $29 ebook. I know what you're thinking. Fred, ebooks sound like they're easier to make and sell. I just write it once and then I can sell it forever. Sure, it might look like that on paper, but let me ask you something. Have you ever actually tried to sell a $29 ebook? It's brutal. You need a massive amount of traffic just to make a few $100 because the price point is so low that your profit per sale is tiny once you factor in ads, your time, content, and everything. In fact, most people lose money upfront on low-ticket products, and then they have to sell more stuff again. It's a very complex system. Now compare that to a simple high-ticket course system. We're talking $1,000 to $10,000 plus per sale. You don't need thousands of buyers. You need a handful of people who say yes. One sale at $3,000 is the same as over 100 sales of a $29 ebook. So which one sounds easier to you? Getting one person to buy to say yes, or getting 100? The good news is that you don't need to be some world-class expert to teach a course anymore. That used to be the case. But nowadays, thanks to AI, you can research any topic in depth, pull real information from the internet, organize it, and build a course around it, even if you only started learning about the subject last week. AI does the heavy lifting on the knowledge side. Your job is to package it and deliver it in a way that's clear and useful. And the more you research it, the more you'll learn about the topic and become really good at it. So let me break down exactly how AI runs through my entire business, because this is where it gets interesting. First, I use AI to write every single one of my YouTube videos. I used to spend hours every single day staring at a blank page trying to figure out what to say. In fact, I was spending so much time typing on my keyboard, my forearms and my fingers were extremely sore. And that led me to burning out. Now, I feed AI my topic, my style, my past videos, and it gives me a script that actually sounds like me in minutes instead of hours. All I have to do is to select my YouTube script writing skill in Claude, give it the topic of the video, and there you go. The other thing I use AI for is YouTube thumbnails. I dropped Photoshop completely. So when I'm telling you it's nuts, it's not an exaggeration, it's the truth. Thumbnails used to take me forever to design, especially if they were complex, or they were expensive to get. Now I use tools like Flow and Nano Banana with single AI prompts, and I literally get a high CTR scroll-stopping thumbnail in a couple of minutes. Third, editing. Now this one changed everything for me. I despise video editing, it takes so much time. It's not fun, at least not for me. AI now removes all my pauses, my ums, my dead air automatically. That used to take me at least an hour per video, just sitting there, manually cutting out every little pause. Now, I just click on a button and boom, AI gets rid of it. When you stack all three of these things together, scripting, thumbnail, and editing, You save up so much time that you can post more content and become a content machine, or post less and have more free time. But that's literally the reason I went from 200 views a day to over 2,000 views a day in one single week of doing this. It's the same me, the same channel, just way less time wasted on boring parts that nobody wants to do. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now here's the thing. Some people here make videos or sell online courses and they immediately freak out because they don't want to show their face. Look, I get it. Not everyone is comfortable being on camera. In fact, it's a skill that you have to learn. It wasn't natural for me either at first. So let me show you your options here. Option 1, you build a personal brand. You record yourself talking exactly like what I'm doing right now. People connect with real faces, real people, and it builds trust quickly. Option 2, you use an AI clone of yourself or even just a voice clone of yourself. It's way cheaper than a full visual avatar. I personally do a mix of both on my channel. You can use a tool like 11 Labs if you want fast, high-quality audio generation in seconds. Or if you want a completely free option that's still high quality and you've got a decent, powerful computer, Qwen 3 TTS is open source and free, but you have to know you need real processing power or it's going to crash your computer. But either way works. Option 3, you create an AI avatar with HeyGen, or you pick a voice on 11 Labs that isn't yours, so you stay completely anonymous. The point is, you don't need to be a polished, on-camera personality to make this work. AI gives you a way around that excuse too. Here's where most people mess up when they try to sell high-ticket courses. They go straight for the sale. Nobody wants to hand over $3,000 to someone they just met 5 minutes ago on the internet. So what do you do instead? You give first. I run a free course on School, and I'm telling you, School specifically is great because it gives you extra leads for free. No other platform does that. Your website doesn't do that. And we're not talking some small 2% bump here. We're talking up to 50% more leads just from being on that platform compared to having a regular email list. That's a massive difference when you want to grow your business and make more money. If you get more leads, you'll make more money. It's pretty obvious. So the free course builds trust. People go through it, they get real value, they see that I actually know what I'm talking about. And naturally, a small percentage of them want more. They want to go deeper, get personal guidance, actually transform their results. Those are the people who book a call with me and become paying clients. So it's not like I have to chase anyone down. People come to me because the free value already proved I'm worth listening to. That's the strategy. Free value first, which builds trust, high ticket sales in that order every single time. So let's do a quick recap so you know exactly what to do. Because I know all this information can be confusing. You sell a high ticket digital product, an online course, not a cheap ebook that's nearly impossible to profit from. You use AI to research and build that course even if you're not an expert yet. You use AI to script, design thumbnails, and edit your content so you can post way more without burning out. And you'd be surprised to see AI content often outperforms human content. It's crazy. You choose your path, either a personal brand or an AI avatar or voice clone, whatever you're most comfortable with. And you give free value first through a free course before anyone pays you a dime. So this isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. This is literally what I'm doing right now. This is also what the most successful people online are doing right now for a reason. And I do this every single day, and it's working better than anything I've ever done before in business. The tools are sitting right there for you to use. The only question left is whether you're actually going to do something with them. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.